Good morning everyone, this is Abhishek and this is a project on foundation design of 23 story of building using SAP 2016. And this is the 23 story of building we designed at ETABS 2016. And at the base, the column sizes are 500 by 500 and 600 by 600. And the materials used in here is M40 and HYSD 500. And from the ETABS software we actually find the column names and dimensions, also with the dead load and live load and the material property of each column. First open the software and here as you can see I already defined all of them and the model is ready. So go to the define menu and you can see the HYSD 500 and M40 are already defined. So here I check and show you all of them. Okay, next go to the slab properties and here you can see the mat footing. So I just modified the mm by 800 to show you the actual difference between this. Okay, then it's done. So next go to the define menu. Here you can see the column properties. There are two columns which is 500 by 500 and 600 by 600 and the column materials are M40. Next go to the load cases and the load cases are dead and live load, and next go to the load patterns and though both are dead and live load at static linear. So then cancel it and go to the load combinations. Here there are two type of combination, which is ultimate load combination is that the dead and live load are 1.5 both, and the combinations there are static combination which is the both dead and live load is 1. So then go to the define menu and here you can see the soil properties 1 and you can see the values in here which is on the project. So everything is defined in here. So next I show you the strips. There are two way of column strips, both A direction and B direction, and so the material properties are river 400 and this strip size is 4 meter each. So how to draw the strips? Then go to the draw menu and here you can see the strips value. Just change the strip value and you can draw it. Both the strips are passing by the center of the columns. Okay, just next as you can see the center point of the column, the values of point load like dead load and live load are specified in here, which is shown before, and I can find the values from the ETABS software, and by clicking all of them you can see the values of dead load and live load I specify in there. And in the footing the soil property 1 is specified, which I can define earlier. So now in every properties on slab and strip you can just change the river materials by HYSD 500. Then go to the run analysis and click on it. Then the model is analyzed and by default there is a deformation shown. So then again wait for some times, go to the run analysis again and here you can see the punching shear design, and by clicking in here you can see all the members are crosses the values 1. So this is not a safe footing design, so I have to change the slab properties by changing the thickness. which I changed it before. So I just type the 1200 in here and check the same, run analysis, and wait for some times it analyzed. Then again click on the run analysis, then go to the display menu and show the punching shear, and that's it. We can found that all the values are less than 1, so the footing is safe now. So next go to the display menu and click the strip forces. So I just check the results, and the results are shown in here. The strip load cases, both the layer A and layer B, and you can see the values from here. This is for the dead load, and you can also change it for the live load and for movement and torsion and axial shear, everything. So I check them all just to show you the result. Okay, next go to display menu and click on show slab properties, and here you can see the maximum reinforcement and then also the reinforcement intensity and layer A, and you can see the values from here. You also see the upper values are different and the lower values are different, and you can also find the values at layer B from here. This is the rebar intensity of the footing. Okay, just now display the show cracks. So this is the cracks by dead load and live load on the footing, and you can see the small dots and the colors are different. So this is for the slab bottom face and for dead load, and you can find also the slab top face for dead load, and the values are shown in here in the side, and you can also find it for the live load. And this is a small value, so we can ignore it. And there is another deformation shape which can be shown in the previous, so when we run the analysis by default. Now go to the display menu and click on reaction value of each column, so we can find the reactions of each column, and you can see the forces of the columns are not shown in here because there is no forces in here. So just click in the moment and you can find the results in here. So there is no value moment at z direction, so there's the two value for x and y direction, and you can also see the center point of the column where the moments is arrived for the dead load, and you can also find it for the live load values. Just click on the live load and see the apply. Okay, next I show you the show table, and here you actually find the all members are passed in here or not. Okay, just change the side, and here you can find the status text, and all the status texts are okay. If it's not okay, then we have to again change the value and also the thickness of the footing. So everything is done in here. So then we just run detailing from here. We can find the detailing value of this footing, then click on OK and wait for some time, and here you can see the detailing value of the footing. Here I can show you the river materials of the column for both top and bottom, and this is the values. And next for the top river materials, and you can see just by zooming out the values of the river material, and also for the bottom river material, and by clicking all of them you can see the river materials used in the footing, which will help you for designing the footing. And this is the side view, and here in the upward section you can see the column, but because this is the for the footing design, so the column river are not shown in here. And the reinforcement profile, and where you can actually find it, the where the column is there, the reinforcement quality is higher. Okay, now this is the bar mark and dia of the material, and cut or length, number of the material, total length, and everything found in here. The total detailing of the river materials or section. Next, here you can also see the river schedule, and this is the total estimate for bar size and the length of the size and total weight of the material for each dia. This is the general note for concrete M40, and the river shape codes are for different sections are shown in here. And this is the beam river material for top bar and for bottom bar. And here you can find the actual design of different river materials, and which is specified in here. This is all the different types of different kind of values and the detailing part, and you can actually plot all of them in a drawing sheet. And here I show you the drawing sheets. So this is because of this is the evolution version, so we cannot print it. Okay, and I just forgot to show you something, so I can show you the actual strip in here in the footing. So by clicking there you can show the actual strip value and the length and the breadth of the strips. And another interesting thing, in the 3D view, just you can actually show the footing, and it is clearly visible in here. So by the extrude view you can see the footing actual, and also the columns which are laid down on the footing, and this is look amazing. And so this is it, and I can show you the moment intensity of different column and different section. And this is the middle column. You can see the moment intensity is so high in there. And next I can show you the, you already shown this is the river intensity of the A and B direction of different footing. This is the river details of the footing and the river intensity of the footing at A direction, and this is the extrude view of the footing. So this is it. Thank you for seeing this video and for your support.